Hello Remodelaholics and welcome back. Thanks for joining us today for this tour of some very cool kitchens. A while back we did a video tour of some of our favorite laundry rooms, so be sure to check that out here too. And our bunk room tour, that's my favorite. I'm so excited to show you these beautiful kitchens, so let's get to it. First on the list, this black and white kitchen is so gorgeous. Just look at those countertops. I love that the cabinets go all the way to the ceiling. Great for tall girls like me. The frosted glass with in-cabinet lighting gives some variety to the black cabinets too. And such a great cozy sitting area right off the kitchen. 2. I love the texture details in this kitchen. Look closely. The diagonal wood planks on the range hood match that little accent triangle in the lower cabinets and the bottom drawers. A non-traditional take on the two-tone cabinet idea. 3. Love the modern cabinets here. We went with a similar style from IKEA for our last kitchen, and I'm a big fan. The waterfall edge of the island shows off the gorgeous countertop material so well. Lots of storage space here with a beverage bar built in. And just look at that gorgeous backsplash. For our natural wood fans, this wood cabinetry is beautiful. The mix of black metal handles and the bronze range hood looks fantastic. The matching wood panels hide the fridge, and wait for it, check out the hidden pantry back here. The pantry of my dreams. 5. The range hood is the star of this modern gray kitchen. I really like the subtle veining in the marble countertops and backsplash. 6. Speaking of beautiful marble, look at this beautiful black island here in this kitchen. 7. Kitchen number 7 is a little more traditional style and so gorgeous. Beautiful cabinetry and countertops. I love the extra wide hood over the range, perfect for hanging that clock or whatever you love. 8. That curved range hood with the black cabinetry in this kitchen is so gorgeous. Be sure to check out the link below for our favorite black paint colors if you want a similar look in your kitchen. 9. The next kitchen features bright white cabinets with chrome hardware and light fixtures, very clean looking and sleek. 10. I love the classic arch over the stove area here. We built something similar between our kitchen and living room in a previous home, and it really elevated the style of that house. Check out the blog post in the links below. The two-toned white and wood cabinetry looks fantastic. And did you see the coffered ceiling? 11. This kitchen might just be my favorite. Did I pick a favorite already? Let's just take in the eye candy of this luxury kitchen. The cabinet details and the lighting, and just look at the beautiful carved range hood. So much storage space here. And yes, this panel hides the fridge. 12. Check out the cool frisbee kind of pendant lights here. This area around the stove is so pretty and also smart. Check out the recessed shelving there to the side. 13. This kitchen has a lot of natural light thanks to the skylight right over the island. I also really like the spotlights and the pendant lights they chose. And look at how they used brackets to hang the pendants. Great idea. Such a dreamy setup. 14. Here's a bright and airy all-white kitchen. A little bit of texture in the cabinet doors and the backsplash. Taking a look back here, I'm a big fan of butler pantries like this, and I like how the board and batten here ties together with the cabinetry style. 15. This gray kitchen carries the same paint color from the cabinets to the pantry door for a nice feature. If you want to see a ton more ideas for gray kitchens, check out our gray kitchen roundup on the blog linked below. I really like the combination of gray cabinets with the black countertops and backsplash, and the brushed warm metal pendant lights. 16. Look how cool this two-tone black and wood kitchen is. Tucked back here, there's a nice big butler's pantry with a sink for kitchen prep work. And I'm a big fan of this open shelving style, all the way to the ceiling, so even I might need a step stool. 17, here's another black kitchen. This one has really beautiful gray countertops, again with the waterfall edge that looks so amazing and carries up to the backsplash as well. And the luxe feature we love, 2 faucets on one extra large sink, plus the lip to hold the cutting boards. That is next level. And then a little peek back here. This pantry is amazing. I like that the shelves aren't too deep so everything will be visible. 18. Okay, so maybe this one is my favorite. I love the crisp white cabinets, the lighting choices, the wood accents, the pendant lights. I just really love it all. 19. In this kitchen, rather than having separate solid and glass doors, the same door is part glass and part wood. So you only have to open one cabinet, but you get both display shelves and hidden storage. Smart idea. 20. This white kitchen adds some contrast with wood cabinets on the uppers and the island. So beautiful. So, which kitchen was your favorite? Tell me why you liked it in the comments below. And I'd love to hear what kind of rooms you want us to tour next. Should we look at bathrooms, living rooms, or maybe a whole house video tour? Tell us in the comments. See you later.